The word we'll be learning in this video is snow, which you will often hear in conversations about personality traits. Imagine how much more natural your Japanese will sound when you can say things like, "She is honest with her feelings." "I appreciate your straightforwardness." And "He is obedient to his parents" in Japanese. Let's get started. Sunao. Sunao. The word sunao means honest, straightforward, or obedient. It describes someone who is frank and does not hide their feelings or thoughts. The first kanji means element or plain, the sense of something natural and unadorned. It shows up in sozai, material, where it gives the idea of basic or raw matter. It also appears in sugao, a bare face, carrying the sense of being plain or without decoration. The second kanji means straight or direct and can also mean to fix or be honest. In chokusetsu, direct, it keeps the idea of going straight without intermediaries. In naosu, to fix, it brings the nuance of correcting something back to a straight or proper state. I conveyed my honest feelings. 素直な気持ちを伝えました。素直な気持ちを伝えました。I say it honestly. 私は素直に言う。私は素直に言う。He has a frank personality. 彼は素直な性格です。彼は素直な性格です。He follows honestly. 彼は素直に従う。彼は素直に従う。The most common synonyms of snow are junshin and sochoku. Junshin means pure or innocent, often used to describe someone who is naive or untainted by experiences. In contrast, sochoku means frank or candid, and is used when someone speaks plainly, often without concern for politeness. While both suggest honesty, junshin leans more towards innocence, while sochoku emphasizes directness. The most common antonyms of snow are fuseijitsu and hinekure. Fuseijitsu means dishonest or insincere, describing someone who hides their true intentions or feelings. Hinekure means cynical or twisted, often referring to someone who has a jaded or negative outlook, making them distrustful of straightforwardness. These words highlight a lack of honesty or openness, contrasting sharply with snow,